Moles, nature's underground engineers. Beneath the surface of fields, gardens, and woodlands lies a hidden world of tunnels and chambers, crafted by one of nature's most enigmatic creatures, the mole. These small, subterranean mammals may not be the most visible wildlife, but their impact on the ecosystems they inhabit is profound. In this documentary, we'll explore the fascinating world of moles, delving into their biology, behaviors, habitats, and their vital role in maintaining the health of the soil. Moles are small mammals belonging to the family Talpidae. While they are often mistaken for rodents, moles are actually more closely related to shrews. They are specially adapted for a life spent mostly underground, where they hunt, nest, and raise their young. Found across North America, Europe, and parts of Asia, moles are an essential part of many ecosystems. The mole's body is a marvel of adaptation for its subterranean lifestyle. Measuring between 4 and 7 inches long, with a cylindrical body and velvety fur, moles are perfectly shaped for navigating tight tunnels. Their fur has no directional grain, allowing them to move forward and backward through their narrow passageways with ease. Their most distinctive feature is their spade-like forelimbs, equipped with powerful claws that can dig through soil at an impressive rate. Moles are virtually blind, as their tiny eyes are often covered by skin or fur, but they don't rely on vision in their dark underground world. Instead, they have an acute sense of touch, aided by their sensitive snouts. Some species, like the star-nosed mole, have extraordinary tactile organs. The star-nosed mole's snout is ringed with 22 fleshy appendages that contain thousands of sensory receptors, making it one of the most sensitive touch organs in the animal kingdom. Moles are insectivores, meaning their diet primarily consists of insects and other invertebrates. Earthworms are their favorite meal, and a mole can consume its body weight in worms and other food daily. Moles have specialized saliva that can paralyze earthworms, allowing them to store their prey alive in underground larders for later consumption. This adaptation ensures a steady food supply even when prey is scarce. The network of tunnels that moles construct is not random. There are 2 main types of tunnels: surface tunnels, which are visible as raised ridges on the ground, and deeper tunnels used for nesting and storing food. Surface tunnels are hunting pathways, while deeper tunnels are more permanent structures. A single mole can dig up to 18 feet of tunnel in just 1 hour, creating an intricate underground labyrinth. While moles are solitary creatures, they do occasionally come together to mate. Breeding typically occurs in late winter or early spring, depending on the species. After a brief gestation period of about 4 to 6 weeks, the female mole gives birth to a litter of 3 to 6 young. The young are born hairless and blind, completely dependent on their mother for survival. Within a month, they begin to grow fur and develop the skills they need to dig and hunt on their own. Moles play a crucial ecological role, particularly in maintaining soil health. As they tunnel, they aerate the soil, allowing oxygen and water to penetrate deeper into the ground. This process promotes root growth and improves the overall fertility of the soil. Additionally, their hunting activities help control populations of insects and grubs, some of which are considered pests by farmers and gardeners. Despite their beneficial contributions to the ecosystem, moles are often viewed as nuisances, especially in agricultural and residential areas. Their tunneling can disrupt lawns, gardens, and crops, leading to frustration among homeowners and farmers. However, it's important to understand that these behaviors are simply part of their natural survival strategies. Efforts to manage mole populations often involve deterrence rather than harmful methods. Humane approaches, such as creating barriers or using natural repellents, are increasingly favored over trapping or poisoning. Recognizing the ecological importance of moles can help shift perceptions and promote coexistence. Moles inhabit a wide range of environments, from grasslands and forests to farmlands and urban gardens. Their presence is often an indicator of healthy soil rich in invertebrates. Different species have adapted to specific habitats. For example, The European mole thrives in temperate forests and grasslands, while the star-nosed mole prefers wet, marshy areas in North America. The star-nosed mole is particularly fascinating, not only for its unique sensory abilities, but also for its swimming prowess. Unlike most moles, which primarily stay underground, the star-nosed mole can forage in water, using its sensitive snout to detect prey in muddy streams and ponds. This versatility showcases the incredible adaptability of moles across different environments. Predators of moles vary depending on their habitat, but often include birds of prey, snakes, foxes, and domestic cats. However, moles' underground lifestyle provides them with a degree of protection from many threats. When above ground, they are vulnerable, moving clumsily and relying on their strong sense of smell to detect danger. In addition to natural predators, moles face threats from habitat destruction and soil pollution. The expansion of urban areas, intensive farming practices, and the use of harmful pesticides can disrupt mole populations and their ecosystems. Conservation efforts aimed at protecting soil health indirectly benefit moles and other subterranean species. Moles have made their mark on human culture and folklore as well. In some traditions, they are seen as symbols of industriousness and determination, tirelessly working to create their underground homes. In other stories, they are portrayed as mysterious or even mischievous creatures. Literature and media have also celebrated moles, with characters like Mole from Kenneth Grahame's The Wind in the Willows endearing readers to these humble burrowers. Scientific research on moles continues to uncover fascinating insights into their behavior and physiology. Studies on their digging mechanics, sensory adaptations, and ecological roles contribute to our understanding of how these small mammals have thrived in their niche. Research on moles also highlights the interconnectedness of species and the importance of preserving biodiversity. Moles are more than just creatures of the soil. They are engineers, predators, and indicators of environmental health. Their subterranean lives may be hidden from view, but their impact is felt far and wide. By appreciating and protecting these remarkable animals, we can also safeguard the ecosystems that depend on them. The mole's story is a reminder of the intricate connections within nature, where even the smallest creatures play vital roles. Let us celebrate the mole as a symbol of resilience, adaptation, and the unseen wonders of the natural world. In protecting their habitats, we protect the health of the Earth itself, ensuring a future where all species can thrive.